Hello designers. Welcome to designparlor.pk. In today's video tutorial, we'll show you two different ways how you can apply multiple strokes to a single path in Adobe Illustrator with ease, and we'll also discuss a problem regarding this and of course provide the solution of it. In the first method you will learn all this with the help of Appearance Panel, and in the second method with the help of Transform Effect. Stay with us and watch this video completely. I watched a video by one of my respected mentors, Satori Graphics, in which he taught how you can apply several strokes on a single path in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to watch that video, the link is in the description below. When I made a few such objects according to his instructions and used them in my other artwork, I ran into a few problems. So I have come up with a simple solution. Let's see. First, let's show you how you can apply multiple strokes using the Appearance Panel. Draw a circle using the Ellipse tool. Adjust its stroke weight. Grab the Caesar tool by pressing the C on your keyboard and click on a side anchor point. Now select the lowest anchor point with the Direct Selection tool and delete it. Now open the Appearance Panel by going to the Window menu and take the 5 stroke layers and set their stroke weight in such a way that the biggest stroke should be at the bottom and the smallest stroke should be at the top. And change their colors as shown to you. Your object is ready. You can check it by going into outline mode by pressing the Ctrl Y on your keyboard. But it's difficult to use it in another artwork. Again, I have to go into the Appearance Panel and adjust all the colors. Don't worry, I have a solution for this, and a very simple solution. Draw a line using the Line Segment tool. Adjust its stroke weight. Now go to the Effects menu and apply the Transform effect as shown. Now open your Brushes panel. Select all these lines and drag and drop them in the Brushes panel. Set up your brush as shown. This is your custom brush ready. Take a half circle like before. Now it doesn't matter how big you stroke weight. Click on your line brush while keeping that circle selected. And you are good to go. You can see this by pressing Ctrl+Y on your keyboard. It's just multiple strokes over a single path. You can use it wherever you want. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos like this. Thanks.